Series of project for circuit-based branches. Part 3. This is Varsha Kiran Patil from AISSMS IOIT Pune, and in this session we are going to see do's and don'ts for project. All the formats related to these sessions are kept at formatsproject.home blog. Students can refer it. Before digging into the deep, one has to take into consideration what are the sectors for the project one can see here. First is consumer electronics. In case of consumer electronics, it is a evergreen sector because the demand is very high. Sport design. The sport design requires electronics kind of that is arrangement. Automotive, data security, medical, and telecommunication are other few sectors. The important sector is nothing but agriculture sector where one can work for renewable energy and irrigation and precision farming. In case of medical sector, one can work on patient data and pattern recognition. While doing the project, one has to see the sectors in where what are the domains. The domains in these sectors are audio video systems, pattern recognition, artificial intelligence, embedded systems, mechatronic systems, Internet of Things, instrumentation and control systems, and electronic communication systems, biomedical electronics, and power electronics. While doing all these things, designing and redesigning is required because optimization is done while designing. First of all, select the components like wires or the microcontrollers or enclosure design and have a budget. After optimization also have the budget and do the calculations and have the proper optimization of your circuits. While doing all these innovations, one has to be enthusiastic. Here in our college, students have participated in various workshops. They have tried innovation in Texas lab. Also, they have done practice for acquiring skills and done it in the Texas Innovation Lab. While doing project, the first step is team tuning. First of all, one has to select a group members who are cooperative, sharing and professional along with your guide. Once you are having a team and a goal, define your scope and study the market. While doing this, one has to do the synopsis and presentation. For synopsis and presentation, the formats are kept for formats this particular address formatsproject.home blog. So once this is done, your concept you have to have the conceptualize the specification. Once this is done, redefine your needs and have the report of it as a seminar one report. Use your engineering skills and build your solutions. This will give you report number 2. Test your innovations and then you have to again check and recheck, and with safety precautions you have to do your project. Nowadays it is observed that along with live wires you are having the wires of modems and all other communication protocol wires. So one has to follow the deadline but has to have the safety precautions, like one has to suppose that every wire plugged or unplugged or every device plugged or unplugged is having some charge. So that precaution is to be assumed by everyone. Shutdown means before doing the connections. Do not touch the live wires. Have the connections as per your industry standards and have the hands and floor dry. All these precautions you have to take into consideration. So once you are ready with your product, go for conferences, workshops, contest, and show your work to all the world. Thank you very much. Refer our blog and get the related formats related to your project like uh, seminar reports and presentations. Thank you very much. This is Varsha Kiran Patil signing off from this part number 3.